While electronic components are getting constantly smaller, the heterogeneous integration leads to larger packages. Extending the durability and ruggedness of devices is essential and poses a major challenge. The Cornerfill, developed by DELO, offers the optimal solution to heavily reinforced solder joints. In this process, only the corners of the packages are underfilled and not the entire component. Compared to a complete underfill, the Cornerfill process is much faster. This is because dispensing takes place in a single step and without long waiting times. In addition, the appearance of entrapped air, even with asymmetrical position solder connections, is completely prevented. Also, the curing time and temperature of, for example, 10 minutes at 110 degrees Celsius for Cornerfill are significantly lower than those of an underfill. Compared to a complete underfill with 45 minutes, for example, at 130 degrees Celsius, our Cornerfill saves you up to 80% CO2 emissions. Temperature cycling tests have shown that Cornerfill increases the durability of the final device by over 400%. In addition, both adhesive and dispensing can be adapted to individual geometries. Also, the number of reinforced rows of interconnects can be adjusted by formulation and process. With our Cornerfill, you can enormously reinforce packages. It's individually adaptable, much faster than underfill, and does not entrap air.